What's up, y'all? It's your boy Mac Art from Alkaline Herbs and Recipes, and today we're going to talk about surprising benefits of papaya seeds. Well, papaya seeds, they help heal the liver. Did you know you could take about 10 to 30 of these papaya seeds, grind them up, put them in some of this warm key lime juice every day? So basically, take some of these seeds, grind them up, put them in this warm key lime juice, blend it up, drink it for 30 days, and it will heal the cirrhosis of the liver. Okay, it's very important alkaline fact that you need to know. Another thing, the milky sap in papaya seeds contain acetogenin. Acetogenin, on the other hand, it prevents cancer cells from growing. Okay, so this is another wonderful fact about papaya seeds. Another wonderful fact about papaya seeds is they kill staph, E. coli, salmonella, dengue fever, and typhoid fever. Other wonderful facts to know, other countries around the world, they use these seeds for, their typhoid and their dengue fevers and stuff. A lot of diseases we don't necessarily see right here in the United States. That's some Life Tonic tea right next to some key limes, by the way. And these are just some of the wonderful alkaline and health benefits of these papaya seeds. Y'all be blessed.